Happy moment to everyone. This is Perkish Salomina, Assistant Professor, Department of Social Work, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. For this semester, I will be counseling theory and practice. So in this class, we are going to learn about meaning and definition of counseling. Let us enter into the topic. Slide explains about meaning of counseling. The first point, counseling is the provision of professional assistance and guidance in resolving personal or psychological problems. The concept of counseling includes the helping process to the other individual. When we talk about counseling, it is the process of assisting the individual who is having personal or psychological problems. The problem can be differ from one individual to the other individual. As you see in the right side of this slide, I have given some note for the problem. We can have this kind of problem in our day-to-day life. Interpersonal problem, intrapersonal problem, and socio-economic problem. I have given some example for this problem also. And the next point explains about the counseling in the another perspective, which is counseling is the process of assisting and guiding clients, especially by a trained person on a professional basis, to resolve especially personal, social or psychological problems and difficulties of an individual. Counseling, it is a profession based work which is giving assistance to the individual, those who are facing problem. Especially when we're talking about this counseling, we have to note the important point, giving assistance or guidance on the professional based, which means the professionally in the sense a person who is trained in a particular field to deal with the individual or group based problem. So anyone can give advice or they can suggest the good thing for the individual, but when we talk practically about the counseling, it is the thing where the process is taken by the person who is trained professionally. So this point is explaining that perspective, which means a person who is trained professionally, that person is eligible to give assistance or guidance, to give solution to the particular problem, or the person is eligible to guide a individual who is having a problem in their day-to-day life. Okay, in the next slide we will be of counseling. The first definition is given by Merriam-Webster: professional guidance of the individual by utilizing psychological method, especially in collecting case history data, using various techniques of the personal interview and testing interest and aptitudes. Here I have changed the color of important words. According to Merriam-Webster, counseling is the professional guidance provided to the individual by utilizing psychological methods, especially collecting case history, which means knowing about the personal information about the individual, about their family background, about their biodata and all those included in this case history, and using various interview techniques to gather information from the client and testing their interest and aptitude towards the society. So this definition is given by Merriam-Webster. The next definition is given by Harriman. Counseling is the psychotherapeutic relationship in which an individual receives direct help from an advisor or find an opportunity to release negative feelings and thus clear the way for positive growth in personality. A beautiful definition by Harriman. So counseling is the psychotherapeutic relationship, which means the relationship consists of a amount of therapeutic process to come out from the problematic situation. So in this process, individual receives or get direct help from the counselor, and this is the opportunity provided to the client to change their negative feeling and to develop their positive growth in the life.